Yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do at home to make this hot drink. Alright, so stay tuned in and don't go anywhere. Watch this amazing video right here from Chef Ricardo this morning. Alright, beautiful one. So, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. To this morning, we're just going to be showing you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely hot cup of, where it is, lemon flight tea. Very good for weight loss. If you are interested in weight loss, this coming really handy for you guys. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the lemon flight because I love the lemon flight because it got the sorrel. A lot of people think sorrel is just only for cook and bake with, but sorrel also very good for, you know what I mean, detoxing and weight loss, and you can also have a nice lovely hot drink from it also. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a teaspoon. Alright, what it said, alright, 1.5 teaspoon. Alright, so I got a teaspoon and a half, alright, inside of my glass, just like this, and that is beautiful. Alright, so we're just gonna pour some hot water on that one. Beautiful one, look at that, that is amazing. So that's what you want to drink early in the morning. Alright, if not, also, yeah, this is what you want to drink early in the morning, guys, honestly. What you can also do, you know, because this one is also very, very, very good too, honestly, because I like to introduce my fans into things where you can do at home. You can get yourself a lemon. Alright, lemon is very important. Get yourself a lemon and just squeeze a teaspoon of the lemon juice inside of this. Alright, don't worry about the seed. All you have to do is don't drink the seed. Alright, and get two slices of lemon and put it straight inside of it, just like that. That is just lovely and amazing. Pour some hot water. Alright, that is lovely. This one, these two drink is like a magic for you to drink early in the morning at home. Alright, so that is fantastic and an amazing, guys. So right here, guys, as you can see it for yourself, this two lovely drink. So basically, with the lemon flight, you want to drink it early in the morning. Alright, even when you're going to bed, you can drink the lemon flight. You know, if you don't have the lemon flight, you're waiting for other one or whatever, you can go and drink a glass of hot lemon tea also. Alright, very, 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 very good for you guys, 100%, trust me. And not only that, what you can also do with the lemon, yeah, you can also put a few slices of apple inside of it. Alright, just a few slices of apple inside of it. Alright, trust me, just like this. Alright, look at the difference with the apple. Is like it froth it up. Alright, beautiful. So you can also have that early in the morning as a drink. Alright, guys, so that is just fantastic and an amazing right here. Simple, but the lemon flight is just different, guys, 100%. It got the sorrel inside of it. It got a lot of stuff inside of it. It got ginger. It got so many things inside of it, which is just amazing to have early in the morning. Alright, let's taste this one. If you want, you can add a little bit of sweetener, but no sweetener for me. I don't believe in the sweetener thing. Alright, so that's why I say I'm just gonna have this one just like this. That is lovely, beautiful one and fantastic. Alright, so remember, if you want to get this, the lemon flight, please go over to the website and get your lemon flight. All right, honestly, this is just very good to boost up your immune system and build up your immune system, and can help you to lose weight. All you need to do is start eat healthy at home. Because when you eat healthy, it is very important for you to eat very, very healthy at home. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is just a fantastic and an amazing recipe. Very simple, but also easy. But all of these right here, where you see, right, I'm just making right now, is just for you to make it early in the morning and drink it before you eat your breakfast. All right. If you are a person who are interested in weight loss, it's good for you to drink something like this early in the morning. All right. Yeah, man. Let's taste this one. Beautiful, nice and lovely. That's exactly what we're talking about. Not only that, guys, you know, the other day I was doing a video on on this one. I was doing a video. All right. You know, I was doing a video on my, where it is. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah. Pimento seed. A lot of people doesn't know that pimento seed is very, very good for you. All right. So pimento seed is not only for cooking. All right. These are the seeds. You hear them is? That's pimento seeds. See, I'm putting a few of them inside of this glass right here. That's the guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Pimento seed. I want you to try it at home. All right. So once you get the pimento seed, you get roughly about half teaspoon of ginger powder. All right, and also get some lemon and squeeze it inside of it like this. All right, beautiful. Then let's get some hot water and just pour it inside of it. I'm just using the glass that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright. Put 2 slices of lemon inside of it, just like this. That is fantastic and an amazing. Alright. Yeah, so the pimento seed right here, guys, is not only for just for cooking. All right, it's also very good for detoxing of the body also. All right, that is a beautiful one. Now the thing is, what I want to simply say to you, look guys, I'm gonna just simply show you even a little bit a secret where you can also do when you're at home. All right, because this recipe is a recipe which is very good for a vitamin in the morning. Alright, and immune of the system. Alright, this one. Okay, so now like this one right here, this one is a vitamin C tea bag. You can get this in the supermarket for buy. So basically if you even put it into this one, alright, because you got the apple, you got the ginger,